everybody. So I wanted to show you what we would be doing today on Class Kick because it's a little bit different than things we've done in the past. So I'm going to do this first one with you, and then I have one more that I want to show you. So today we're working on measuring using a ruler. We're using an inch ruler to find the length of an object. So when you go into Class Kick, you're going to see these slides, and there's 2 to 3 on a page, so make sure you look for all of them. And I want you to tell me how long you think these objects are. So if I was looking at this, I would say, it might be, 8 inches. We're going to say 8 inches is my estimate. I'm guessing. And then I actually need to find the length. So I'm going to draw a line from the tip and a line at the back. And I'm going to see how long this is. So helps if you get your line straight. And I know that's not always the easiest thing to do. Let's see if we can do it this way. You can use your line tool and draw it down. That might be better. I like that idea. So here we go. Here is my marker. I'm going to use the line tool up here too so it's straight. And if I bring it straight down, I can see exactly where it lands. And it's a mark before 2 and a mark before 10. So that means that it's going to the same place. So I can count my inches on my ruler. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches for this marker. So my marker really is 8 inches. That's the actual size. I would like you to do the same thing for the rest of these. I want to see a line at the beginning, a line at the end, and I'd like you to use your pen tool to count how many inches are on the ruler. All right, I have one more thing I'd like to show you. Okay, when you get to the cupcake page, up at the top, it says, you can move this ruler around by clicking and dragging it. You can turn it by clicking on it and spinning the green circle with your mouse. Let me show you what I mean. If I take my mouse and I hover over this, you'll see that you get a green outline. If you click on it, you get a green circle right here at the top. If you click on that circle and hold down the button on your mouse, you can move this ruler. You can go all the way around in a circle. Okay? Woohoo! It's kind of fun. We call that a manipulative. Here are the directions. Look at the object and estimate its height, then move the ruler to find its actual height. So you're actually going to move this ruler. You can click and drag. And you need to figure out the height of this cupcake from the tip of the candle to the base of the cake. So if I was guessing, I would say, maybe it's 4 inches. I don't know, maybe 4. But then I can take my ruler, click on it, turn it, and then drag it over. I'm going to line up with that line at the top where the 0 is, and then I'm going to look to see where the base of my cupcake is, and lo and behold, it's not 4 inches, it's 5. So I would then write my 5. I do have the green type boxes in these squares, so you can type in your number if you would prefer, or you can use the pen tool. I'm good with either. There's one more to do on this page, and then there's some more on the next few pages. I just wanted you to see how you can turn the ruler, okay? So, if you have watched this video, you have the answers for a couple of different of the problems. Make sure that you are marking on these ones where the ruler is stationary. Make sure you mark how you counted and write in your estimate and your actual. Your estimate doesn't have to be correct. It's a guess as to what you think it might be. Like if I was looking at this, we're at about 2 and about 7.5, so 5.5 inches. I don't know. You can do half inches. Let me go over that real quick. So on a ruler, let me make this bigger. On a ruler, when you're looking at this, you have where your number is, that's the whole number. And then you have all these little lines in the middle. This longish one in the middle is 1/2 inch. This would be 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. Okay? So if it lands in the middle on this line, then that's 1/2 inch. Okay? All right, I think you have all of the tools that you need to be successful on this one. I'm going to leave this on here so you can see it. Make sure you try your best, and I hope you enjoy using the inch ruler.